For a batsman, it's a one-ball game, going with the runner. Oh, they are in. Bit of confusion out there. And with the runner, there's confusion all round. Not able to time it, playing on the onside, just running there. Kicha early on. He has a runner with him. And the umpire putting his finger up. Now that's strange to see. Why? He doesn't realize that he has a runner.
Probably Ajay, umpire needs fresh shades. It's getting a little darker.
Or probably a cup of coffee as well.
Maybe.
He just had it.
Maybe. Whether it's a coffee, whether it's a shades. Absolutely. And he's wearing the shades.
So what he needs is a coffee.
Definitely. Hot cup of coffee.
And I tell you what, Sudeep would be confused that the finger was up. I have done nothing wrong at all. Why is the finger up? But it's going to be up the left hand of the southpaw strike now, Pradeep. Oh, that's played well in the gap. That's racing away. Just bowling a few short deliveries and then this fuller delivery. The first boundary for Pradeep as well, and you can see those flags being waved. A lot of support here for the Bulldozers.
That's a beautiful pick from Pradeep. Made it so easy. Look easy. Ajay, I think these two lads, these two big boys, they should get a good score.
It's going to be important for the strikers to bowl well, because why I say that is if you're chasing something in the region of 100 plus, the pressure will be mounting on you as a batting unit. That's once again powered on the offside. There's a feeder coming in from the deep, long off. So one more run there. If you're chasing something in the region of 120, 130, it's going to be tough. You've got to maintain that run rate from early on. You lose a few wickets, the pressure mounts, a few dot deliveries. The pressure mounts on you as a batting unit when you're chasing. That's the reason they have to bowl well here. Electing to bowl here, Kerala strikers win the toss.
I think when you decide to bowl first, winning the toss, I think you got to get your cards right, Ajay. Otherwise, this Karnataka batting side will pile runs on the board. Considering Sudeep, the way he is in a form, they just had a few matches with the better teams, with the first-class teams, with the first division teams in Bangalore. That's the exposure they would love to do that.
That's pulled away. Good effort at square leg. Is going for the big shot on the onside, just bowling a touch shot. Vinu now able to pierce the gap, not able to bisect that gap on that occasion. Already 10 runs from this over, 5 deliveries. Expensive start here, conceding a few runs, Vinu. Oh, lucky there. End of the over, 12 for no loss.
Sudeep, every minute he used to be part of the every discussion, which I really liked it part, because he was intently, engrossed with the meetings and everything. Let's see Pradeep what he can do. That's a big one. So let's, Ajay, coming back to that, I think for that, Sudeep used to be every part of discussion, and I used to tell him that, okay, if you imagine we are going to bat, we are going to chase 200 runs.
So if it is there, I'll definitely
How far we are going to get there, we need to see. If you're bowling, you're going to bowl 180 runs target. We need to bowl according to that.
Very right, and we'll come back to that. At the moment, I was just see his back foot, his back toe just inside the crease, so shouldn't be any damage there.
So Pradeep on 6, Sudeep and 6. That's the one. Pradeep tried to hit over mid wicket. Couldn't get the elevation right. So he got a single.
But coming back to the point you were making, Sunil, now also I think it depends on the services you're playing, because every time you go for a cricket match, the services are different. Now chasing 200 on a wicket that probably is turning or doing a bit for the seamers, it's not easy. So what was the planning then?
I think it was important for because KPL played in a different venues. They played in Mysore, they played in Hubli. The wickets were completely different in Mysore, different in Hubli. Based on the wickets, we used to prepare the innings. Either you target first, or you achieve, or you defend.
Once again, just trying to glide that one, not able to pierce the gap. Will be a single coming on with a striker, Sudeep. You've got to have an eye on the runner as well. But I think the good thing is that both of them, if they're not getting those boundaries, they'll pick those singles as well. Just having a chat with the runner at the moment, the umpire. The umpire at the bowler's end.
I think Sudeep just had a quick chat with Pradeep. I think something communicated with the big shot of the third over power play.
Once again picked up very nicely. There's a fielder running in. He's had to do a bit of work so far. Appreciated. Just saw the crowd there just filling up. The stands being filled up. Just match number 2. We have 4 matches up this evening. I'm very sure by the time the Heroes play, the last match, the Mumbai Heroes, it will be a capacity crowd out here at the Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. Coming down the track, a lot of bottom hand stroke from Sudeep. Will pick up one more. The fielder at long on has been very busy.
I keep forgetting his name, Ajay. He has been part of Rockstars in KPLL as well. He was a wonderful left-hander and bowls fast medium pace. He's a handy cricketer, that's for sure. When he comes on to bat, we'll see more of his glimpses. At the moment, Pradeep, man on the screen, look to get his strikes.
And Suresh has done a wonderful job. He's bowling his last over because every bowler can just bowl 2 overs. Just conceding 6 runs against a pair that really bats well, Pradeep and Sudeep. So he's done well so far, Suresh. 4 runs coming from this over. 5 deliveries. Coming down the track once again, not timing it too well. Will pick up a single, so a good spell from Suresh. That's the end of the over. 17 for no loss. Pradeep and Sudeep, both the openers out there. Match number 2, Pradeep on 9, Sudeep on 8. Just mentioned with the batting lineup, Lokesh, Rahul, Rajiv, Chandan, Dekant. They really bat deep.